Hey guys, welcome back to the isometric exercise library for the Superhuman Strength Protocol. Today we're going to be going through the isometric press up. Now this is one of my favourite horizontal pressing motions because of the closed kinetic chain aspect of the movement, in which we are pinning our hands in place and trying to move the body. Within this demonstration I only wrap my hands over the top of the strap, but I do actually recommend that people loop it round fully just to make sure that it is pressed into the ground and we don't have that kind of rolling over of the wrist. Here you want to make sure that you start lying flat on the ground and that you try and grab the strap as close to your body as possible so that we get that maximal range of motion. If I hold onto the strap and there is no tension across my shoulders, when I go up into that press up position, I'm going to more or less fully lock out before there is any tension on the strap. So as you can see here, I'm grabbing relatively close, okay, and then as I drive up, my body will go into that 90-degree press up position, if not slightly lower, and I can apply that maximal force against the strap. With this one, you want to make sure obviously that you can, with this one, you want to make sure you put yourself in a position in which you can apply that force. So if you are unable to do a full press up, or if you are unable to get into that press up position on the ground and hold it whilst setting the isometric position up, then you can do it in a raised setting, so with your hands on a bench or on a step with that strap running over your shoulders. Again, just get into a longer range of motion, so towards the bottom of the press up, make sure that the strap is fixed in place and drive through. As is the case with all pressing motions, we want to make sure that the wrist is in line with the elbow and that our elbow position relative to the shoulder is in a safe and comfortable position. So we're looking for about 45 degrees, making sure that there's no excessive flare. And also, as is the case with all of these isometric exercises, make sure that we have equal tension on either side.